My name is Bronny, and this is Bronny S Revenge. We're back here with another video. God, you guys are killing me. I just hit 20,000 views, even though I only have like 220 subs. I appreciate all y'all. And my views are adding up, the subs are adding up. It's going great. But recently, like 3 weeks ago, I did a mystery box on hypesub, and I just hit 400 views, and it was really fire. I'm actually wearing what I got right now. This is Captain's Print Flea Market from Show 22 shirt. And some spider sweats from Young Thug, so he has some pretty fire stuff. And there was a lot of people commenting and texting me saying that they only got the box because of my video. They're very satisfied with my video, so I got to thinking I'm gonna have to do a part 2. And it seems like he has a different box this time. Last time was a bag, and now we have this box kind of reminding me of scars. So let me just get a knife real quick and let's open this up and see what he has today. Okay, I finally got that open. He had it super glue tight. Real good. But hey, what can I say? It says super good protection. That's gonna his part right here. Let me just open this up all the way. It's actually pretty hard. Look at that. That's that good. See? Tap in with hypesub. I'm gonna take care of you for surely. Okay, opening up the package. I don't wanna look. I'll let you guys see. Something just fell. Alright, so we got our stickers right here. Paper. These are hypesub stickers, and as always, I don't like looking at the paper because I really like mystery boxes. Like, that's what my channel is about. I like to give you guys honest reviews of mystery boxes and whatnot. So, you know, I'm not gonna look at the paper. I'm gonna let you guys see though. Let you guys see. Give you guys a little sneak peek or whatnot. But my turn. Let's see what's inside of here. I've been waiting for like a week. Let's see what this is. This is looking like some revenge. I can already tell. This is looking like some revenge. I've been seeing that brand for a couple years. I have never got it yet. This is looking super fire. This is a white revenge shirt right here. This is super fire. I like this. I really do like this. I've been wanting to get a revenge shirt for a minute, not gonna lie. Yeah, this is super fire. And it comes with a bag too. I like keeping my bags. This is a super fire revenge bag right here. And oh shoot, he's doing the Vlone shirt right here. We got a Vlone shirt, the Kodak one. That is super fire. Oh my god. Top one hypesub. Hypesub is that guy. Hypesub is that guy. You see this right here? It says Vlone Kodak. And on the back we have the Vlone with the sniper on it. You know, Kodak sniper game. You don't know, you know now. I mean, this is super fire. And there's a third item in here. Let's see what this is. I think I already know what this is. I think this is the Travis Scott Astroworld. It says Astrofest CU tie-dye hoodie. God, let's see what this is looking like. That is dope. We have a skeleton right here and lots of tie-dye going on. Let's open this up all the way. God, this is fire. It says, see you in Utopia. That is super dope. And oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys the back. I love back graphics and hoodies and shirts. So yeah, this is super dope. As you guys can see, it says November, open your eyes to a whole new universe. And yeah, that's super dope. I love hoodies. It's been a minute since I got a hoodie from mystery box. I think since I had my sneaker flea mystery box. So this is pretty dope. It has little pink speckles going throughout the hoodie too. So I really like this hoodie. This is super fire. So wow, let's look at the paper. Okay, so looking at the paper, this Travis Scott CU tie-dye hoodie medium is going for $165. Keep in mind, this box was $180. He has two options. I believe there's a $55 box and a $180 box. So yeah, this box is $180, and this hoodie itself was $165. That's pretty much the whole box. And the Vlone Kodak Black 47 t-shirt right here was $90. So right there, you're already going over the price of the box. You're already making your money back. That's pretty dope right there. And last but not least, I knew it. This Revenge R-Star t-shirt is $80. So in total, this box was $335. That is amazing. Like, I paid $180 and doing some dope shirts and a hoodie inside of here. That is so fire. You guys have to tap in with hypesub. This man has me walking around with a freaking V on my back. You see this right here? This man has me walking around with a V on my back. He has me seeking revenge on everybody. On everybody. Not for real, I'm keeping this bag. And last but not least, he got me this fire Travis Scott movie. It says see you in Utopia and has this deformed skeleton. I actually really like this. This is pretty fire. Like, it has all these back graphics. I really like this hoodie. This might be a top 3. You guys have to type in with hypesub if you guys haven't yet. He's super fire. I really like his boxes. This is my second one. And again, this video is for all my kids out there, all my people, my adults, everyone who likes drip, fashion, who likes to get them at good prices, doesn't know about mystery boxes, want to find out about them. You should definitely tap in with hypesub. I got a lot of good things from him. I got the spider sweats from him. Got this shirt from him. This shirt from him. This hoodie from him. This shirt from him. He's a super fire dude, and this is only the second box. You guys can have all these clothes in 2 boxes. And if you haven't done so yet, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like my content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bronny Revenge out.